Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to share location on Android in 2025. Let's begin. As you can see by my notifications panel, I am currently not sharing my location. In order to share my location, all I want to do is simply go to the settings, and in the settings I want to find and locate my location. As you can see now, we want to make sure that we are using location, even though it cannot be seen apparently on the notification panel. Now we can always go into our control center and simply scroll and see if we have location right here. If you don't see this button, I would simply advise you to add it using the pencil icon and by simply finding it right here at the bottom of the list and dragging it, just like I did with color inversion, onto the control center. And as you can see now, we have an easier access to our share location button. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.